about to tell you something super boring that'll change your life. Did you know that once you import a file into Descript, you can use it in any project on your drive? And so can your team? So that intro graphic or logo or whoosh sound effect you've used over and over and over, and every time you've had to waste time tracking it down or burn media minutes re-uploading it, that stops now. Here's an easier way. Inside your project, hit Project, then hit the plus sign next to Files. You'll see an option that says Add from Other Projects. Click it. You'll see every project in your drive. Pick the one that has your file, grab it, hit Import. Done! The file's now in your new project. You never left your project, didn't re-upload anything, and didn't burn any media minutes. Boring, yet life-changing. Like when they introduced those Add 1 minute buttons on microwaves. Open up a new Descript project and give it a try.